Welcome to Nevis Sun Tours. We make it easier to sell and book Caribbean vacations to St. Kitts and Nevis. We have said it many times, but we have to say it again. We love food. And because we know that we are not alone in this love affair, we are confident in producing a video like this one. This is our Travel Tuesday presentation. We are telling you about the best food tours we have available in St. Kitts and Nevis. And we are focusing on two, Cooking with Ras Iroy and the Village Food Tour. We are going to share the best features of each so that you can learn two things. Number one, why they are as popular as they are. And number two, why they should be on your must-do list of activities for your next trip to St. Kitts and Nevis. Cooking with Ras Iroy is an amazing tour for a number of reasons. Here are the top 3 reasons based on the characteristics of the tour and the comments we have received from our guests. Number 1. You get to harvest your own ingredients. This is all part of the fun on this multifaceted food tour. Imagine walking through a permaculture farm on a lush Caribbean island, foraging and harvesting the ingredients you are going to cook within minutes. Farm to table has never been more real than this. You would see ingredients grown in a natural and organic way and perhaps encounter some fruits and vegetables you have never before seen or tasted. This is a great beginning to a true Caribbean culinary adventure. Number 2. You get to cook and eat your own food. With a point like this, we feel that it is important for us to remind you that this is a food tour. This point is also a reason why all of our food tours have a common characteristic. They are all multidimensional. Keep up with us. So you are on a food tour and instead of just eating, you get a bonus, a cooking lesson from a true Rastafarian chef. But not only that, when you are done cooking, you get to eat what would likely be one of the best vegan meals you have ever had. Number 3. It is an amazing family and group experience. This is an experience which is perfect for couples, families and groups. Guests get to harvest together, cook together, eat together, and have fun together. All these together activities on our Cooking with Ras Iroy food tour also results in everyone building the best vacation memories together. As you can see, this is one of the best food tours you can have anywhere, but this one is only available from Nevis Sun Tours. So go over to nevissuntours.com to book it, or better yet, contact us on reservations@nevissuntours.com to book or to have it included in your vacation package we can curate specifically for you. Next, we have the Village Food Tour. The Village Food Tour is on the short list of the best food tours in St. Kitts and Nevis because it is another multidimensional food activity. Our past guests have loved it, and our tour guides and suppliers love the interactions they have. We also have 3 top reasons why this is an amazing food tour. Here they are. Number 1, it is community tourism. On our Village Food Tour, our guests get to go off the beaten path. This is a highly immersive travel experience in part because on this food tour you get to go where the locals go, and many travelers do not get the privilege of going there. This tour happens in one of our few remaining authentic villages, and if we had to sum it up, we would say that the village takes care of you for the entire tour. The guide is from the village and all the food stops occur along the quarter-mile walk through this tiny charming village. Number 2, there is food for everyone. This isn't something typical for all food tours, but we have considered everyone, so even vegan travelers eat well on the Village Food Tour. The first stop has food which is vegan cuisine, and like the food on all of our food tours, it tastes delicious to all. The second stop includes samples of barbecue, but focuses also on local drinks. You will eat to your heart's content and be full by the end of the tour. Much like Cooking with Ras Iroy, when the tour is done, there would be no need for lunch. Number 3. It is an amazing family and group experience. We mentioned this point earlier regarding our Cooking with Ras Iroy food experience, and it is appropriate that we mention it again because it is another common characteristic of the food tours from Nevis Sun Tours. They are all designed to be enjoyed together. In this one, guests eat, walk, drink, and interact with the village, its people, and its food together, and end up with the type of memories which define the best vacations possible. We have now arrived at our customary point of value. This is where we suggest how you can use the valuable information we just shared to sell and book Caribbean vacations to St. Kitts and Nevis. Both are tours for travelers seeking rich vacation experiences. These are the best food tours available in St. Kitts and Nevis, and another reason they are considered to be the best is because they are specifically for food and travel lovers. In other words, they are made for all travelers who are seeking unique and enriching vacation experiences. Since you have watched this video all the way to the end, we know that you are a traveler and food lover, so we want to hear from you. If we are correct, simply write TFL in the comments. We'll both know that it means travel and food lover. Remember to contact us directly on reservations@nevissuntours.com to book any of these food tours. Until next week, have a happy Travel Tuesday.